Hey everyone, so I'm finally back home. It's been an absolute nightmare filming today because my battery died, my hairdresser's battery died, and then my memory card was full and had a problem with it. It's gonna be a bit choppy, but I think altogether I should have shown the process more or less in full. It's literally 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna get braids, so this little frizzy mop is out at the moment. I'm gonna let you know how it goes. The lens clean? Probably not. Ooh. So yeah, temperamental. Oh. So the first part of the process was for my hairdresser to grab the bunches of hair that she'd already pre-prepared and separate them out onto a stand that she had, which just means that it's easier and quicker to grab as she goes. So she was just preparing that behind me while I had breakfast. She then starts to section off my hair, and I opted for a triangle parting because I prefer the look of it around the hairline. It's a little bit more versatile with different hairstyles, and I like the look overall. She's also using a product called Edge Control, which just keeps the hair nice and neat around the partings and holds it together. And then she'll go on to attach the hair to that and braid into twists. So from there, she starts to braid the hair. This particular style is basically a double twist. So you have the 2 strands of hair that you're twisting around each other, but within those 2 strands of hair, they're twisted. So then it's a tighter twist, essentially. You'll see how she does it, but she basically just follows that routine all the way around the rest of the hair, and that's all there is to it. So the whole process takes 4 hours in total once she's finished braiding the hair. She then goes on to seal it. So she'll dip the extensions into boiling hot water, which seals the ends off, and then she'll dry those out. She then applies mousse to the top and mid sections of the hair, which just seals off any loose strands and sets the braids. She'll give it a spray of hairspray and then go over it with the hairdryer to make sure it's just set and dried off. Another additional touch that she likes to do is to go over the hair with a pair of scissors, just to cut off any fraying hairs and tidy up the ends of the hair as well. So this is the finished product. So these are called Senegalese Twists. Absolutely love them. I got waist length, so they're super long. I'll show you properly when I stand up. So yeah, their waist length, I love them. They're a really good protective style. So where I've obviously been in the sun for quite a while and my hair's got dry, I've just put loads of leave-in conditioner on it and oil. I'm just gonna let it rest basically and grow, hopefully. So yeah, this is the big jumbo chunky style, which I wanted. I really like. Should last up to 4 to 6 weeks, which I intend to leave it for. I actually opted for a two-tone, so I've got in a light brown and a black. So yeah, I got a mix of the two, just so that it's a little bit more like less harsh against my skin basically. So I just wanted it to be a little bit softer. I think when it's a bit too dark around my hairline, it's a bit woof. Do you know what I mean? So yes, this is it. I'm going to show you the full length. So it's longer than waist. It's kind of hip actually. And my back. Love, love, love. They are a little bit heavy at the moment. They're quite stiff still, so they need to loosen up. But yeah, I love them. So yeah, so let you know how it goes with them in, if I love them, and yeah, how they wear basically. It's the only second time I've got extensions. I've only had faux locks done before, so we'll see how that goes, and if I like it, have a better one than last time. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.